Welcome, everyone. The California eviction process follows these steps. 1. Serve a notice. The landlord must provide the renter with a written notice by a deadline. Violation determines the notice period. 3 days for non-payment and lease violations. No cause terminations. 30 days. 2. File a county superior court unlawful detainer lawsuit if the tenant doesn't comply. Court fees vary by location. Initial filing fees in San Diego range from $250 to $450. 3. Response. The tenant has a few days to respond in court. If the tenant responds, the landlord can request a trial date from the court. Both the landlord and tenant can argue for eviction at trial. 4. The judge decides. 5. Sheriff or marshal evict. The court orders the eviction. The eviction process can take 30-45 days or longer. A landlord cannot evict a renter by changing locks, cutting power, personal property removal, stealing, fraud, or extortion, using or threatening force, threats, or hostile behavior to violate the tenant's right to quiet enjoyment. If the tenant receives an unlawful detainer lawsuit, don't ignore it. You must file a legal answer with the court by the deadline stated. Describe why the landlord cannot legally evict you and request a jury trial. Consulting the Martinez Law Center can help craft your strongest response. During the trial, it is up to the landlord to prove proper grounds for eviction. The tenant can argue in your defense on issues like retaliation, discrimination, or landlord negligence. Having photographs, written records, and other evidence is crucial here. Utilize all legal options before the sheriff arrives to lock you out on the eviction date. This includes filing appeals or negotiating further with the landlord. Staying longer gives you time to move if needed. The bottom line is, fight back every step and know your rights. With the right legal strategies, the tenant can attempt to have your case dismissed or delay eviction. Reach out to a qualified tenant attorney for guidance. Stay tuned for more videos on beating California evictions. Call now, 714-442-9741. Thank you.